Hey, what's up everybody? Doing a visor on this Nissan Cube. This door part is broke right here when you open it. So it's pretty simple. It's going to be taking these two screws out. Now the other one. Make sure you save these, don't lose them. You'll need them again. I'll go ahead and pop it out, and it should just fall right out like that. Very simple. Go ahead and put that down there. Get our new one. Here's my new one. It's a giant visor. It's bigger than like any truck I've done. Here's the part number. I got this from the dealership. There's a sun visor assembly. Here's the part number. Go ahead and open this. Alright. So yeah, basically what we're going to do is I'll probably just hang it up here in the hook and then get it lined up over here. So I'll get this in there first. And then with that holding it in place, I could come right here and just line up these holes and make sure it's lined up right and put the screws in. I got my bolts hand started there, and then I'm just going to run them down. They don't got to be mega tight. They just got to be pretty snug. You could use a regular screwdriver or like a electric one. But yeah, that's it guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Thanks for watching.